Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Sarai, the DIY nail care educator. How y'all doing? Um, that's my introduction, and so that I'm not long with it, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with what I wanted to talk about and discuss. And I won't be long. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I won't be long at all because I need to get what. So, first of all, I just want to let y'all know that I've been reading this devotional, and not just me, by the way. The women at our church, my church, and I'll tag them in the somewhere. I'll tag them or whatever. We every Sunday for our Sunday school lesson, we've been going over this 100 days of believing bigger, and we're kind of been skipping around or whatever because this is something that we're not actually doing like in order or whatever, because we only do it once a week, and it's going to take us 100 weeks to get through with this or whatever. And I believe that I'm not the only person who attention span is, not tailored to the best or whatever. And like, I'm not gonna get bored of it, but being in the same book for 100 weeks, that's not likely. So like, I do be encouraging people to the women to read through this each and every day until you get to 100, and then every Sunday I ask them, is there one in particular that y'all want to discuss or whatever? And so we probably will finish it out to the end of the year and see how far we got or whatever. But anyway, see, I'm already chasing rabbits, right? There's one particular, it was day 14. It was the purpose pathway, and this was a 4-part. But this particular one, it prompted me to think about on what my purpose, what is the do. How am I doing my purpose? That was one of the key words in this particular devotion lesson. And what is my do in my purpose that I have, and so it prompted me. I'll show y'all here. Y'all can't really see this, but it prompted me to where I wrote down in a journal space, reflection space, tell people what I have to help them, because I do my best to share this with people, but I tell myself all the time, and I tell people that verbally I'm not the best communicator, and I'd rather put it in writing. So I will, but two things that I do that helps people with my particular niche in the nail industry. I teach DIY nail care, and I customize a variety of NailCare kits for practical use at home or wherever people are to maintain nail care, their own nail care. Not just for vanity either, but for practicality purposes, for God's glory. In case there's a question, how is what I do with my nails going to glorify God? And then that gives me the opportunity to invite you to a nail ministry devotion. So I'm going to end that right there.